Hi, it's Emma from Vintage Rocks. Just wanted to announce the winner of the pots of Songbird. So what I asked you to do was we were coming up to almost 2,000 likes on our Facebook page. I think we had like 1,953. So you all pulled out the stops and liked and shared and commented. We managed to get to 2,000 likes at midnight, so that was great. I woke up to some nice news. So what I've done is I've written down all of the names of the people that commented on that post. So thank you so much to all of you. And we will now pick a winner with the help of my new little puppy baby, Otis. Say hello, Otis. Hello, hello. Now, this might be a little bit ambitious because Otis is only still a little baby, but I thought what he could do is he could choose the name for me. We want to do that? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, so we've got all the pieces of paper on the floor and I'm just going to see which one he likes the best. Right, hold on a sec. That's all your names there, all scattered on the floor. Otis, go and get one. Which one do you like? Otis? 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 Yes, yes. Who's that? What's that? Bring it to mummy. Bring it to mummy. You like that one? Yes, I think that's a definite choice. Thank you, Otis. Can I see who it is, please? Oh, oh! It's Zena Guest. Well done, Zena. Say well done, Zena. Yeah. So there you go, Zena. Otis picked your name. Oh, yeah. Better get it out now before you eat it. So let me know when you'd like to come and collect your prize of some Songbird. For those of you that Otis didn't pick, I'm really sorry, but there is another opportunity to get your hands on Songbird. It is our colour of the month, so all you need to do is go onto our website and use the code Songbird10 at checkout. So that's Songbird10 in capitals, and you will receive a 10% discount on either a sample or the full litre pot. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.